What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 30 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 30 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. You put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $2,000 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 30 free stocks, publicly traded companies. Guys, don't miss this limited time offer. Get down in the description box, click on that Moomoo link, open up that Moomoo account today. Go get that free stock, go get that free money. I will also send you 2 Moomoo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moomoo brokerage app so you can start buying big boy blue chip paper assets to build your wealth. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Moomoo account. Let me know you funded it. And I'm going to send you out those tutorial videos so we can get you off to a fast start so you can start building some wealth in 2025. Guys, there is no greater opportunity than right now in our lifetime to build wealth. Everything has been set up perfectly for us. All we got to do is take our income and invest it in historically proven, performance-driven paper assets or other asset classes like real estate for income or a business. Personally, I'm going to stick with paper assets because it's a monster. Let's talk a little bit about what happened in the stock market today. And then I'm going to give you guys what's on my radar for next week as I prepare to make some money next week in my shorts. We'll talk about that in a few minutes, but let's do a quick recap of what happened today. S&P 500 slides on Friday as rally pauses, but stocks notch back-to-back weekly gains. The benchmark index shed 0.3% to 6101.24, reversing course after hitting a fresh intraday record earlier in the session. The NASDAQ composite slipped 0.5% to 19,954.30. The Dow dropped 140.82 points, or 0.3% to 44,424.25. Friday's losses snapped a 4-day winning streak for the 3 major indexes. It certainly was a 4-day winning streak because Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and first part of Friday, there was a lot of money to be made because I made my fair share of it. And I shared that with you guys who watched my earlier video from today. On the week, I'm $45,000 profit on my short investment strategy where I take 16 baby stocks and a couple big boy stocks, and I use them to create FCF, which is free cash flow. And I'm up $45,000 just this week in 4 trading days, guys. And on the month, for the month of January, with 5 trading days left, I'm up $92,000 in profit. That's realized profit, not unrealized sitting in it's in my bank account. Stocks sold, money in the bank account. So when they say this 47 rally is on pause, it's gonna become not paused next week on Monday. So prepare yourself, and we'll talk about that in a second. Some mega cap tech stocks that help drive the market to all-time highs pulled back in the session, putting downward pressure on equities, mainly NVIDIA. Slid 3%. Tesla fell more than 1%. Now, earlier in trading today on Friday morning, early, 9:30, NVIDIA was up. And then all of a sudden, what do you get? when you get 4 good trading days where stocks go higher because of 47 saying that he's going to put $500 billion into artificial intelligence, people take profits. That's part of the game. They normally take profits on Fridays, guys. That's why by 11 o'clock, especially on Friday, I like to be out of my short investing positions. Now, remember, I'm a long-term guy by nature. That's where most of my money is invested, is in my long-term investment strategy. But the short-term investment strategy that I started this year, I tell you what, guys, is going really, really well. Despite Friday's retreat, excitement towards Trump's pro-business policies has largely pushed risk assets higher this week as investors focused on his inauguration. Traders were also relieved that there have only been threats on the tariff front from 47 instead of formal action during his first few days in the White House. All 3 major averages posted their second straight positive week, signaling that the bull market is back in full force after December's pullback. Now, we're going to stop right there. That's what I wanted y'all to hear. We are back. This bull market is back in full force, guys, because of all the enthusiasm around 47 and his pro-business agenda, his pro-artificial intelligence agenda. Listen, man, 2025 is going to be a monster. I keep telling y'all, 47 does not want his legacy to be damaged because the stock market crashes or the economy crashes. That's not going to happen if he can control that. So all I'm telling you guys is get in where you fit in, man. Get yourself ready. The first thing you got to do to get ready is you got to have a brokerage account. So get yourself down in the description box, click on the Moo link, open up the Moo account. Put your $100 in there. They're going to give you 5 free stocks. Put $2,000 in your new Moo brokerage account, guys. You're going to get 30 free stocks, publicly traded companies. They trade on like the New York Stock Exchange, the Chicago Stock Exchange. Listen, man, that is net worth that this company is giving you to try out their brokerage app. So don't delay, act today. Open that account up. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Now, let's talk a little bit about what I'm going to be focused on next week. I'm going to be focused on making money like I do every week. I can tell you right now, just looking at my 16 short investment stocks, I can tell you the one that I think is going to be a home run next week. And again, guys, I'm not a professional. I'm not an expert. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a random guy on YouTube giving you his opinion. That does not mean this company will go metabolic next week. I believe it will, but that's just my opinion. There's no scientific proof behind that. There is no analytics behind it. There is no research behind it. This is just me doing my little due diligence, and I believe Rocket Lab USA Inc. is going to be a monster for me next week. And here's why. Earlier today, Rocket Lab hit a fresh all-time high, guys. All-time 52-week high of $33.34. This was earlier today. They closed at $30.36. What does that tell me? That tells me there's a lot of enthusiasm around this stock and people took profits today because the stock had been performing well all week and it just skyrocketed today by $3 a share. People took profits. But what does that mean? Is the momentum still there? Yes, it's still there in my opinion, guys. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, and please, guys, please, don't take my advice. Go do your own homework, but I'm telling you what I'm doing on Monday. On Monday, I'm going to be in Rocket Lab because I know that enthusiasm is still there. That $33.34 a share, a fresh all-time high, you think that's gone? It's not. It's temporary. Temporarily Stock pulls back because people take profits, but it will resume, I believe, on Monday. And if you go look at Rocket Lab's 12-month price target, it's higher than that. I think the average is around like 35. And then there's some higher ones. I think it goes higher than 35. I do, real soon. That's just my opinion. If you go do your research on Rocket Lab, there's a lot of enthusiasm around this company, man. And I keep telling y'all guys, the stock market is about enthusiasm. It's about potential. It's about the future. That's what people put money in. They put money in potential. They put money in the future. And when there's buzz around a company, nobody wants to miss out. That's where that FOMO comes in, fear of missing out. So all I can tell you is get in where you fit in, do you some homework, but I'm on Rocket Lab. I'm on SoundHound AI. I'm going to be back on Serve Robotics. I'm going to be back on Supermicro Computer. All those have been wonderful to me this week. I'm back on them again next week, starting Monday. Well, guys, do me a favor. Drop me some comments and let me know what you think about Rocket Lab USA Inc. Do you think it's the real deal, or you think it's just a pretender? Or do you think it's the real deal? I think it's the real deal. I think it's the real deal, but I want to hear your thoughts on it. So drop them down in the comment box. Again, if you want those 30 free stocks from Moo, you know what to do. Get down the description box, click on the Moo link, open up the Moo account, go get the free stock, go get the free money. www.richardfain.net is my website address. Second link down the description box. 10 big boy blue chip digital products that'll change your life. Thousands of you guys have already tried the products, and I've gotten glowing remarks. Change your life. Self-study. Change your life. Check them out. Change your life. While you're there, consider joining the Wealth Builders, fastest growing financial community on Patreon. I already had about 40 of you guys join this morning from the live stream that I did, the earlier video. Amazing. Thank you. I'm gonna get with all of y'all in a minute. But for y'all that ain't joined the Wealth Builders, you're missing out. Get yourself out of the matrix and come join the Wealth Builders, fastest growing financial community on Patreon. All you got to do inside of my website, click on the membership button, the join button. It'll take you over to Patreon, and you need to sign up and come join us. We got a movement going here, guys. All we do is help each other build wealth. None of us are experts. We're regular people, just like you. But when you bring 1,300 people together on one collective idea, which is financial freedom, magic happens. So if you want to be a part of that, join us. Come join us. Click on the membership button, the join button, inside of the website. Take you over to Patreon, sign up. Love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy. Catch you on the next video. Bye.